Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, let me all greet you Happy New Year. I hope your holidays were good, and I hope 2022 will be good to us and give us awesome figures like this figure that I'm gonna be reviewing today. So as you can see, we have Rimuru, or the Nendoroid Rimuru, on his Demon Lord version. So this is the second Nendoroid Rimuru that came out, but this one is, like it says here, the Demon Lord version of him. Now, I got him from a paid raffle. I only spent, I think, including shipping, it's just around 700 pesos. But the SRP for this guy was 5,000 yen, so roughly around 2,500 pesos. And it came out, sorry, my voice broke just now. It came out, or it was released in Japan November last year, and came to the Philippines around December. But this was shipped to me late, so I just received them earlier. So this is the front of the box. The top part. Let me just focus my camera here. There you go. The bottom. The side. The other side. There. And the back part. There you go. You have the manual here. There. So here we have the Nendoroid Rimuru Demon Lord version. This is the default look that the figure came in. So you have here a faceplate of Rimuru. I think this is a serious face, or if Raphael is taking over his body, I think is what it looks like. You have an unsheath and a sheath katana. You have a small version of Slime Rimuru. You have a sitting down version of his lower body. You have his throne here that has a peg, so you can secure Rimuru when you make him sit on this. You have a left gripping hand. You have a right gripping hand. You have a peace sign hand. You have an extra left forearm with a finger gun hand. This is also removable, so you can put other hands there if you want. You have an extra right forearm with a relaxed bent hand. Actually it's bent on the wrist, if you can see it properly. And lastly, we have the stand. Here's the base, the connectors, and of course an extra neck peg. So for Rimuru's first accessory, let's try out his serious faceplates. If I can remove the hair. Are you serious? Why is it so difficult? There you go. So just remove the head or the face. Are you freaking serious right now? Why am I having a hard time removing? Alright, so remove the default face like that. And you can try out his serious face or the Raphael face. Let's try the katana. So we are removing, let's change his hand first, or let's remove his hand first. So remove that, remove the default closed fist hand, and then let's replace it with a gripping hand here. Then let's put the katana in. Be careful with this, you might scrape off the paint. And there you have it. There. Now the other, or the left gripping hand, I think is for holding the sheath or the scabbard of the sword. Let me try that out, because it's not fully closed, unlike the right one. You can see here it's not fully closed. So I think we can remove this, or am I wrong? Am I gonna break it? Oh, okay. So there you can remove the handle part of the katana on the sheath sword, and then make Rimuru hold it using the left gripping hand. There. Now let's try making Rimuru sit on this throne. Put that there first. First off, is it focused? There you go. First off, let's remove the wings, because it keeps on falling anyway. There, let's remove it first. Let's change the hands.
What we do here is go back.
And let's remove the waist or the lower body. There. Alright. This lower body doesn't come with an extra set of shoes or boots, so you have to remove it from the default leg. Then attach it here. Get this and attach here. There you go. Let's try to remove the head first so we can connect the body to the throne. So I'm not sure why this is angled this way. Oh, okay. They could have done it straight, but I guess that works. So it's angled because the body needs, the upper body needs to be angled a bit, so you can make this pose properly. And then let's put the extra set of arm here. So as with other Nendoroids, you can remove the forearm, attach it here, and then use the extra arm. Let's connect it here, and then I saw on the box that it's not for this hand is not for relaxing on this what do you call this again? Armrest. English please. And it's for making Rimuru do this instead. So it's like he's resting his head on his arm. Maybe you need to twist it a bit, like so. There you go. And then let us use the other arm. Let's remove the shoulder and get the other, or the extra forearm. Connect there and get a relaxed left hand. So now you're gonna connect it here. And make it look like this. Let's change the face. I don't think this works on this pose. I think the default one, yep, the default one looks better. There. That's the one in the box. The only thing missing is this small slime version of him. So you can just put this. That's why it has an indenting or a dent on this part of, sorry, that part of the slime is because you make it rest on his leg. Like so. So that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like on the video. If you have any comments, suggestions, do you think I missed anything on this review, please leave it on the comment section so we can talk there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more contents coming from me. And as usual, you guys stay safe and have a good day.